If you're looking for the best curling irons, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Bedhead Curlipops Curling Iron. Not only is this Bedhead curling wand the #1 best-selling hair curling wand on Amazon, but it also has over 3,200 5-star customer reviews. The 1-inch curling wand uses Tourmaline ceramic technology to produce frizz-free, loose beachy curls every single time. It has a swivel cord for easy styling and comes with a protective glove so your hand won't get burned while you're using it. Amazon customers have given it an impressive 4.5-star rating, with one saying, "I have tried both high-end and drugstore curling wands and traditional curling irons. I have to say that. Besides the amazing price of this item, it is the best one I've ever used." Finally, a curling iron that is fast and easy to use for someone hair challenge that gives me the perfect loose waves that hold all day I've been looking for. Cannot recommend highly enough. Moving on to the next at #2 with Conair Instant Heat Curling Iron. Looking for a quality curling iron that won't break the bank? Amazon customers recommend this option by Conair. The beloved tool has 25 different heat settings and a barrel that uses smart technology to evenly distribute heat, allowing you to achieve perfect curls with each use. It has a 4.1-star rating, and many reviewers call it the best curling iron they've ever owned. The perfect classic curling iron, said one shopper. I've repurchased this iron time and time again for myself and for gifts. It heats up quickly and automatically turns off after some time, which is great if you're forgetful like me. This iron creates beautiful curls that can be brushed out into beachy waves or left intact for polished, bouncy curls. The #3 position is held by T3 Whirl Trio Interchangeable Styling Wand Set. If you often like to switch up the size of your curls, check out this curling wand set from T3. It comes with a 1-inch barrel, a 1.5-inch barrel, and a tapered barrel that are all interchangeable with the same base, allowing you to create a variety of sleek hairstyles, from defined curls to flowy waves. Each barrel uses Tourmaline ceramic technology and has 5 different heating settings to choose from depending on your hair type. Hundreds of Amazon shoppers are fans of the hair tool, with one writing, "I have wanted this wand for a while now, but it was too expensive for my blood. I finally bit the bullet and purchased it, kind of expecting to return the wand. But let me tell you, this wand is a miracle worker. Usually my waves or curls fall out after a couple hours. This wand keeps my hair glorious for days. It is amazing. I cannot recommend buying this more." Next at #4 we have Xtava A Twist Curling Wand. Do you travel often and need a curling iron that's easy to pack? Opt for this curling wand from Lavani. Not only will the compact gadget curl your hair in a flash, but it also doubles as a hair straightener, so you're getting 2 hair tools for the price of 1. It comes with 2 salon clips and a heat-resistant protective bag for added convenience. Even better, the curling iron is dual voltage, so you can pack it when you travel internationally, too. One shopper called it a perfectly convenient travel tool, while another wrote, "I love the fact that I have the best of 2 worlds. I can curl in or straighten my hair. It's small and won't take too much room." The #5 position is held by BaBylissPro Nano Titanium Spring Curling Iron. Hate dealing with frizzy hair? Try this curling iron from BaBylissPro. It uses a nano titanium barrel to produce frizz-free curls on all hair types and lengths. The 1/4-inch curling iron has 50 different heat settings to choose from and heats up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 4.5-star rating and over 3,900 reviews, it is one of the most popular curling irons on Amazon. One customer said it gives her beautiful curls every time, before adding, "I love this curling iron. It gets extremely hot, and the titanium rod seems to work better for me than the one I was using. I have spent much more on a different brand, and I hated it. This one is worth the money." The #6 position is dominated by Lee's Stafford Chopstick Styler Curling Wand. If you don't have a lot of time to spend on your hair, check out this curling wand from Bedhead. The handy tool heats up in mere seconds and produces salon-quality curls that shoppers say last for days at a time. Keep in mind, the skinny wand will leave you with tight corkscrew curls, but you can always brush them out if you prefer a looser wave. It has an impressive 4.5-star rating on Amazon, with multiple users uploading photos of their gorgeous curls. I've only been using this iron for about 2 weeks or so, and I really like it, wrote one customer. It heats up lightning fast, and that makes a huge difference to me in the morning, or anytime I have to quickly get myself together to go out somewhere. I love the effect, especially for side curls that can be gone ready instantly. Once cooled, I just separate them with my fingers, give them a slight tug, and I look like I've been fussing with my style for hours. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Chai Air and Spin Curler. Love the look of big bouncy curls. Opt for the Chai Air and Spin Curler. Simply place sections of your hair into this handy tool and push a button that will automatically curl your hair into the chamber and heat up using ceramic heat technology, producing voluminous curls and waves. Spoiler, the tool also uses negative ions that make hair smoother and super shiny. Even better, the barrel is actually inside the curl chamber, so your hands won't touch the hot surface, making it virtually burn-proof. It has an impressive 4.6-star rating on Amazon, and customers rave about how easy it is to use. I really love this tool, said one reviewer. I have a hard time with curling irons. Either I burn myself, or one curl turns or different than the others, or I accidentally curl one in opposite direction than the rest. This tool eliminates all my challenges. The tool doesn't get hot on the outside, so you will never burn your skin. It has a timer that beeps when time to release your hair, which is great. I highly recommend this product. Chai outdid themselves with this one. The number 8 position is held by Bioionic Long Barrel Styler. If you have very fine hair that can't usually hold a curl, try this curling iron from Bioionic. The 1-inch curling iron provides a consistent high heat that will keep even the thinnest hair curly. It has over 265 reviews on Amazon and a 4.7-star rating overall. Plus, the barrel is extra long, which makes it easier to access hard-to-reach areas, like the back of your head. I have fine medium-length hair that does not hold curls. I didn't realize that just a simple change in my tool would make the difference. I used it for the first time today. I curled my hair at 7 a.m. and here we are almost 12 hours later and my curls are still there. I have even run a brush through my hair twice today because it's been windy and my hair tangles and they bounce right back up, said one rave review. Next at number 9 we have HSI Professional Tourmaline Straightener. Looking for a multifaceted hair tool that can straighten and curl hair? Check out this flat iron from HSI Professional. The ceramic Tourmaline hair iron is the number 1 best-selling hair straightening iron on Amazon thanks to its 35,000 glowing 5-star reviews. The popular tool is beloved for its ability to quickly and efficiently straighten hair, leaving it silky smooth in minutes. But many customers love that its rounded edges allow you to curl your hair as well. My hair is naturally straight, so I mostly use this product to curl my hair odd waves. In comparison to my regular hair curler, the round barrel, it takes me 15-30 minutes in comparison to the 1-2 hours I used to spend on curling my hair. In addition, once it's curled, it stays that way and doesn't easily fall out. I love this product, and at that price, I feel like buying a backup in case anything should ever happen to the one I have now. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Hot Tools Professional 24K Gold Marcel Iron. Hundreds of Amazon shoppers love this option from Hot Tools because it has a rotating handle that makes it incredibly easy to wrap hair around the 1.5-inch barrel. The curling iron is gold-plated to help evenly distribute heat throughout the tool. It can heat up to 430 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has an 8-foot-long swivel cord, so you have plenty of slack to work with. I bought this curler after using a similar style one at a friend's house, wrote one reviewer. I was overall impressed with the quality of the curler. It heats quickly and maintains its temperature consistently. The setup of the handle and the rotating feature do take some getting used to, but I found that once I adjusted it was actually a far superior way of wrapping my hair onto the iron that saved a good deal of wrist strain. My hair held the curl well, and I found the total process took less time once I got used to the handle design. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.